Imagine stepping outside your front door and being greeted by a cozy, inviting space that sets the tone for the entire home. A front porch isn't just an architectural feature. It's an extension of the home, a place where warmth, relaxation, and style come together. Whether it's a small entryway or a sprawling veranda, a front porch adds charm, character, and functionality to any house. One of the most significant advantages of having a front porch is the added curb appeal. It's the first thing people see when they visit, and it creates an immediate impression. A well-designed front porch makes a home feel welcoming, polished, and even increases its value. It's like a preview of what's inside, offering a hint of the personality and style within. Homes with well-maintained porches often stand out in the neighborhood, creating a sense of pride and belonging. The extra charm that a porch adds can even make a house easier to sell if the time ever comes to move. Beyond aesthetics, a front porch is a functional outdoor space that enhances daily life. It provides an area to enjoy fresh air, sip morning coffee, or unwind in the evening. In many ways, it acts as a transition between the public and private areas of the home, offering a comfortable spot to interact with neighbors or simply relax while watching the world go by. Having a front porch encourages more time outdoors, which is beneficial for mental and physical health. A few minutes of fresh air every day can improve mood, boost energy levels, and create a stronger connection to nature. One of the best things about a front porch is its versatility. It can be a cozy retreat, a lively gathering space, or even a mini garden. With the right decor, it can reflect the changing seasons, adding charm and warmth year-round. Whether decorated with lush greenery in the summer, pumpkins and warm tones in the fall, or twinkling lights during the holidays, a front porch is a perfect space to showcase creativity and bring festive energy to the home. Seasonal decor allows homeowners to refresh their outdoor space without making permanent changes, keeping it visually interesting throughout the year. Comfort is key when designing a front porch, and seating plays a crucial role. A classic porch swing creates a nostalgic, relaxing atmosphere, while rocking chairs offer a timeless appeal. For a more modern look, consider a small bistro set or cushioned lounge chairs. If space allows, an outdoor sofa with weather-resistant fabric can create a cozy outdoor living room feel. The goal is to design a space that encourages lingering and enjoying the outdoors. Adding a hammock or daybed can further enhance comfort, providing a space for an afternoon nap or peaceful retreat after a long day. Adding greenery enhances the porch's natural beauty, making it feel vibrant and inviting. Hanging flower baskets, potted plants, or even a small vertical garden can add a refreshing touch. Plants like ferns, ivy, or seasonal flowers bring life to the space while also improving air quality. A well-placed planter on either side of the door adds symmetry and elegance, creating a polished and welcoming entrance. If space permits, a small herb garden can be a wonderful addition, providing fresh basil, mint, or rosemary for home cooking while adding a lovely fragrance to the area. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the ambience. Soft, warm lighting makes a porch feel cozy and inviting, perfect for evening relaxation. String lights draped along the railing or overhead add a magical touch, while lanterns or sconces provide a classic and elegant look. Solar-powered lights are an excellent option for energy efficiency and ease of use, ensuring the porch is well lit without the hassle of wiring. Motion sensor lights can add an extra layer of security, while enhancing convenience for nighttime arrivals. A front porch can also serve as an extension of personal style, with decor elements that reflect personality and taste. Rugs designed for outdoor use help define the space and add a pop of color or pattern. Decorative pillows on chairs or benches create a layered, inviting look, making the area feel even more comfortable. Wreaths, seasonal signs, or a beautifully painted front door can add character and warmth, making the entrance feel truly special. A vintage-style mailbox or a personalized welcome sign can make a lasting impression and add charm to the space. Practicality is another essential factor in porch design. Storage solutions like a bench with hidden compartments or stylish baskets help keep the space tidy while providing functionality. If the porch is large enough, a small table can serve as a place to set drinks, books, or decorative items. Weather-resistant furniture and materials ensure durability, allowing the space to maintain its charm throughout the year. Waterproof storage boxes can be a great solution for keeping cushions and decor safe during heavy rain or extreme weather conditions. For those who enjoy entertaining, A front porch can be an ideal gathering space. A welcoming setup with ample seating encourages guests to linger and enjoy conversations outdoors. A small bar cart, a set of string lights, and cozy throw blankets can transform the porch into the perfect spot for hosting an intimate get-together or a casual evening with friends. Adding an outdoor speaker system allows for background music, further enhancing the ambience and making the space more enjoyable. A front porch isn't just about decoration and comfort. It also offers psychological benefits. Spending time outdoors, even if it's just a few steps from the front door, improves mood and reduces stress. Natural light and fresh air contribute to a sense of well-being, making a porch a perfect place to relax, read, or simply enjoy a moment of solitude. The gentle rocking of a chair, the sounds of birds, or the occasional friendly wave to a neighbor all add to the charm of this special outdoor space. Being outside, even briefly, can promote relaxation and mental clarity, making daily routines feel more peaceful. Another overlooked advantage of a front porch is the sense of community it fosters. In many neighborhoods, porches serve as social hubs, where casual conversations with passersby or friendly exchanges with neighbors naturally occur. This sense of connection can make a house feel more like a home, and a neighborhood feel more like a community. A porch encourages interaction, offering a comfortable space to engage with the world beyond the front door. Having a designated area for socializing helps build relationships, reducing feelings of isolation, and making the community feel more connected. Seasonal decorating keeps a front porch looking fresh and inviting throughout the year. In spring, bright floral arrangements, pastel-colored cushions, and a fresh welcome mat create an inviting look. Summer is perfect for adding breezy curtains, lanterns, and vibrant outdoor rugs. Fall brings cozy elements like plaid blankets, pumpkins, and warm-toned wreaths, while winter transforms the porch into a magical holiday scene with twinkling lights, garlands, and festive decor. Switching up decorations regularly keeps the space exciting and visually appealing for both homeowners and visitors. If privacy is a concern, there are plenty of ways to create a more secluded feel without losing the openness of the space. Hanging curtains or bamboo shades provide adjustable coverage, while lattice panels or tall potted plants add a natural barrier. These elements maintain an airy feel while ensuring the porch remains a personal retreat. Adding outdoor screens or a pergola with climbing vines can also enhance privacy while adding aesthetic appeal. For those who love DIY projects, a front porch provides endless opportunities for creativity. A repurposed wooden bench, hand-painted flower pots, or a homemade welcome sign can add unique, personal touches to the space. Upcycling old furniture or adding a fresh coat of paint to an existing piece can breathe new life into the porch without requiring a large budget. Creating custom seating cushions or building a small planter box are simple projects that can make a big impact. A front porch isn't just an outdoor area. It's a lifestyle feature that enhances the way a home is enjoyed. Whether small or spacious, traditional or modern, a well-designed front porch can make any house feel like a true home, offering a perfect blend of relaxation, style, and connection to the world outside. With thoughtful design and decor, a front porch can become a treasured space that brings beauty, comfort, and warmth to everyday life.